What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video of Isaiah's World. I'm Isaiah, and today I'm going to do another toy review. It's been a while, but I'm going to do another toy review on the Articuno Toy. So this is the box you will get. Nice box. On the back it shows you others. As you can see, there's a Greninja, Rayquaza, and a Charizard. As well as the Articuno that comes with it. In French, it is called Articodin, something like that. It's for ages 8 and up. There's a choking hazard. It's a nice box. So I got this for about $30. But let me show you the actual Articuno. I know y'all just saw his wing. Kind of get you pumped. So here he is in all of his glory. Articulation. This is a rubber tail. It is bendable in all ways. So it is really bendable. Other articulation, I like to keep it, the tail, I like to keep it when I'm playing with it. I like to keep it like this. So he's like flying through the sky. Other articulation in the legs. You can also move these. He can also move the claws up and down. So you can move all the claws and everything. There's a little articulation in the head. As you can see, it can go all around. Don't do that because I've never tried it, but I'm afraid it might pop off if you do that. It can move his wings all the way back, all the way forward. We'll move this. Same thing with this wing. But that's basically the Articuno. It's broken. I don't know how it got broken, but the stand will look something like this, and you will be able to plop him on. I'm not gonna do it because it'll break again, but it'll move. It can move. The bottom piece can move as long as it's not broken. Don't make the same mistake I did. But it'll come in about 3 different pieces, and you just gotta snap them on. That Articuno comes together like itself. The positives about it, really everything about the Articuno was really cool. I really liked the color and how they designed it. It's really neat. They also have a Zapdos and a Moltres just like it. And of course the Greninja and the Rayquaza and the Charizard. But they also have a Lucario. I thought that was really neat that Lucario is getting some love. Because that Lucario is a fan favorite. Just a reminder for y'all who have watched my previous video where I opened the Roaring Moon EX box. Reminder, like and subscribe either that video and put a comment down below, or like and subscribe this video and put a comment down below, and you will get a chance to win one of these. Wait a second, is that 5? 5 cards. Huh. Oh wait, it's 4. Sorry, I held the Toxtricity EX that I pulled from 2 previous videos. No, it is 4 cards. 4 cards. You have a chance to get one of the 4. You have a chance of getting. If you like and subscribe and comment down below that you did that honestly. And put your address. And remember, I won't tell a living soul. Alrighty? So, excuse me. I will see y'all in the next video. Remember to hit that like and subscribe button. And I will see you in the next video. Bye!